Hi, I'm Chelly Wood, and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this blue floral dress. It's designed to fit 4.5-inch dolls like Chelsea. The first version of today's video is actually 9 years old. Can you believe I've been on YouTube longer than 9 years? 9 years ago, I didn't have access to good video making software, so I'm slowly upgrading some of my older tutorials. Thanks at the Pale Warrior for the suggestion. You get a gold star. And if you guys want me to redo some videos, just leave a message. Now, before we begin this project, please go to my website, chellywood.com. To download and print this free PDF sewing pattern, use patterns A and B to cut out the pieces you see right here. Hem the skirt and attach lace to the hem. Now, if you don't know what hem means because you're new to sewing, take a look at the links I've left in the description. Gather the skirt opposite the lace. In the links below this video, there's also a link to my How to Gather Fabric tutorial. Measure the gathered skirt against the bodice, and I want you to notice on the right and left of the gathers, okay, you need to leave 1 centimeter of ungathered fabric on the sides of the skirt. Attach the gathered edge to the bottom of the bodice. I prefer to use a backstitch for this step, and again, there's a tutorial for that. If you don't know how to do a backstitch, a straight stitch will work too, but you can find my backstitch in the description below. Here's how it looks when the bodice has been attached. You're going to fold and hem the skirt along the sides. Here's how it looks with both sides hemmed. Fold the bodice over and stitch along the top of the shoulders. And do the same with both shoulders. The bodice now looks like this. And again, I was using an older camera, so my photography wasn't quite up to snuff back then. It's possible to skip the next step. We're going to attach lace sleeves, but if you don't want to attach lace sleeves, this still makes an adorable little dress just like it is, so you can skip these steps. But if you do want to attach the lace sleeves, it's best to work with the dress inside out. This step is not for beginners. It's going to take a little effort. I recommend that you poke your finger through a sleeve, and that should help you so that you don't accidentally sew the two sides of the sleeves together. You're going to attach the lace to the armholes using a little whip stitch, then stitch a closure in the underarm area, invert the dress, attach some snaps, and again, I have a tutorial for that, and then you're ready to try it on your doll. If you do need help with snaps, look for my How to Sew Snaps link in the description area below. For more free, printable PDF sewing patterns to fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, please remember to visit my website, chellywood.com. And Chelly is spelled with a CH. If, like me, you happen to have an ugly childhood fairy who tends to inspire your arts and crafts, then you may benefit from my life balance to-do list. It helps you plan not just your arts and crafts, but it helps you organize your family chores while also rewarding yourself from time to time. Now, if that seems tricky, it also comes with an idea generator to help you fill in the blanks with helpful goals. You can fill it out digitally, or you can print it and fill it out by hand. There's a link to this product in the description.